and welcome to my channel Inspire. Fortunately, we have some rains in Chennai, but this off-seasonal rains has its own set of problems like throat infection, fever, cold, cough. So in this video, I bring you a home remedy on this. This is my first episode on kashayam series. I bring you a herbal concoction called kashayam in South India to treat your cold, cough, fever naturally.
A bark of cinnamon, a tablespoon of cumin seeds, a tablespoon of fennel seeds, 8 to 9 garlic pods, a dash of ginger, few Karpooravalli leaves are Indian rock foil, Nilavembu or Chiretta powder you get in herbal stores. Palm sugar is optional. A teaspoon of peppercorns, few Tulsi leaves. Take all the ingredients in a blender and blend it so well except for the palm sugar. Now take a pan and heat it. Pour all the ingredients. Add some 5 cups of water to it and bring this mixture to boil. Now this should reduce to 1.5 cups. Now strain this mixture. Add palm sugar if this will relieve you from a cold, cough and fever and also boost immunity. If you like the content of my channel, please subscribe to Inspire.